You can do it. Start with a compliment. What an elegant scent.
Oh.
Finally, some chow.
No.
Asparagus crostini, hemp seed quiche, goat cheese with red radicchio spread.
The hoity-toity stiffs love these tiny nibbles.
Uh-oh, gotta go.
Ugh, more like goat cheese and a red crudicchio spread.
My dear chap, what a marvelously comical witticism.
Red crudicchio spread?
Sir, you have the audacity to say what we're all thinking. You simply must join us.
Me? Okay. Red crudicchio spread.
Now you seem prepared for winter. That's one healthy layer of blubber.
Well, I never.
Sticks?
What? It was a compliment. It's not like I said she wasn't prepared for winter.
Welcome to the Awardy Awards, where we award an Awardy Award for award-winning scientists. Tonight, one of you nominees will be awarded your very own Awardy Award. That's it, I'm firing my speechwriter.
Check out that ridiculous hat.
That, sir, is the official hat of the Jackalope Lodge, of which I am president. But upon closer inspection, it does look asinine.
What is this?
It's your pre-salad, post-soup, mid-appetizer, post-cocktail, tertiary thimble fork.
Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me. Evil genius coming through. Move it, Shellboy.
Eggman, how did you...
Get nominated? Let's just say I had a loyal base of supporters. Finally, a use for my ballot stuffing robot. You look familiar. Do I know you?
Start with a compliment. You have healthy hindquarters.